In this video, we will review the Relay Health Diagnostic option available on the Genesis controller. This option will estimate the number of on-off cycles of the relays in your kiln and give you an idea of how much they have been used. While not a definitive rule, a relay will generally last 200,000 cycles on average. From the home screen, press the menu button located in the bottom left corner. Select option 2, Diagnostics. Within the Diagnostics menu, scroll down and select option 4, Relay Health. Here you can see the number of cycles for each relay in your kiln. If you have replaced a relay, you also have the ability to reset the counter. Simply select the relay you replaced and press Reset. The counter will return to 0. This concludes our review of the Relay Health option on the Genesis controller. Remember to stay informed about future updates by visiting L&L's website at hotkilns.com.